So today, let's discuss the difference of these two Regeron ampules. So this one is the dual effect ampule and this one is a turnover ampule. This is what it looks like. So yung dual effect guys, ito yung mas malakas na Regeron ampule. So kung medyo madami kayong mga dark spot and kung kailangan nyo ng matinding brightening effect and barrier repair plus hydration, this one is for you. The best time to use this is PM guys kasi nga medyo matapang yung formulation nito. Pero parehas lang silang may patented CPDRN from Korea. Ayan. Okay, let's go naman sa ating Regeron Turnover Ampule. Ito naman is perfect for daily use. Pwede din siyang gamiting serum for AM and PM naman. Kung ang kailangan nyo naman ay collagen boost and wrinkle reduction, this one is the perfect Regeron serum for you. Ang tina-target nito is yung sagging skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and mas lighter yung formulation niya. That's how it looks like on my skin. Very hydrating siya. What Regeron Ampule is perfect for you guys?